Welcome to Solar Astrognan. So today's topic is about the Venus. So how we need to understand Venus? See, I am going planet by planet, the importance of the planet, and a lot of misconception about the planets in general. In the Vedic astrology, lot of the Vedic text is something different actually, because in the Vedic text, no, whatever they have written, then we need to take out the meaning, in-depth meaning out of that, because why they have done like this is the knowledge which is there in the Indian tradition, whichever the knowledge is there, which is very rare and which is remedial measures for so many things. So they don't want to get it is they don't want to get it by stolen by other this thing. So that's the reason. What they have done is they have kept it hidden in each and every word. So how you need to understand. So today's topic is upon the Venus. So my recent video was on the Saturn. So my today's video is about the Venus. So how you need to understand Venus. So Venus, as you all know, he is Karaka for the luxury, he is Karaka for the comforts. These are the general things, everybody know this. But my major point here is, see, wherever is Venus is there, you need to struggle a lot for that. If at all the Venus is there in the ascendant, your life will be very troublesome. You test it in any of the charts. Venus in Lagan, they will face lot of problems in their life. They will cry a lot. See, physical appearance and all, it will be very good for them, and they will be in whenever you see them, they will be very good and very glamorsome also. And Venus in Lagan, they will look very happy outside, but they are very much worried inside. So if you have anybody who is any relation or any friend you ask them, they will have lot of internal pain which is not revealed outside. So that is Venus in Lagna. So I mean to say is, what I want to say is, Venus is not, he is a Karaka for luxury, but he is Karaka for lot of pain also. And whatever the physical body which we are having now, is the Venus only. See, there are three things which I want to make it clear for everybody. That is, Sun is Atma Karaka. Jupiter is the Jiva Karaka, and the physical body which you are seeing that is Venus, Shukra. So we have come out how the human birth is taken, because of the Shukra, that is sperm. With the sperm only the birth is taken. So the Venus is very important for the physical body. Whichever the physical body you are seeing, that is the Venus. So if a person is looking very good, his Venus is very good, means Venus in a very good position. And Venus, wherever the Venus is placed, both the moon and Venus are both are this Jalatattva planets, watery planets. So wherever these watery planets are placed, so you need to cry for that. They will make you cry for wherever they are placed. That will give you a trouble. You need to cry for that, and you will face lot of problem there. It may be relation, or it may be yourself also. See, you need to test it when you see the charts. So Venus, as you think, Venus is not only the Karaka for all the comfort, he is also Karaka for a lot of troubles also. That's the reason, no, in the Vedic what they have told is, he is a second and seventh lord are Maraka planets. So from the Aries, generally we take from Aries everything. So from the Aries, if you see, the second and seventh lord is Venus. He is considered as the Maraka. So Venus is a killer planet actually. Venus because when the physical body is out of the soul, the body is not there. it is taken and it is buried, or it is dahan, kuch bhi, that is done there. So the Venus, that is the, whichever the body, gross body you are seeing, that is Venus. So any kind of discomfort to the body, that is represented by the Venus only. It's not the Lagna Lord. Lagna Lord is important. I consider it as very, very important. When I come to the Lagna part, I will tell you. But Venus also is very, very important. How you look, how the body appearance, how you look, how beautiful you look, and that is given by the Venus only. Okay. So see, there are so many factors, because one factor will not tell you everything, but different factors we need to, different planets and different houses will give you different combinations, and different permutations and combinations are there to understand a planet very in detail. But I am telling you the basic idea about the Venus, which everybody need to see it. And one more important combination which I want to share is 5th Lord, see, 8th Lord in sitting in 5th. It is very, very dangerous combination. If at all it is a Venus, then be very careful, because you will face lot of sexual harassments. Especially I want to share it for the female, every female. Be very careful if you are having this combination. 8th Lord in sitting in 5th, they will face lot of sexual harassments, and they will have lot of problems regarding regarding marital life also. 8th Lord sitting in 5th, they will face lot of trouble with, even trouble with relation in the relationship. They will face lot of troubles in the relationships also. 8th Lord sitting in 5th, it may be Venus or it may be any planet, but especially today my video is about the Venus. So generally the Pisces ascendant, that is Meena Lagna people, because generally for the Meena Lagna people, the Libra will come in the 8th sign. So Venus sitting in the Cancer sign, that is 8th Lord sitting in 5th. So they will face lot of sexual harassments. It may be anybody, but they will face lot of sexual harassments. So they need to be very careful whenever they are having this kind of combinations, and they will have lot of pain. You ask them, they might have taken lot of troubles in their life. So Venus in Lagna, it is horrible. I can say it is horrible. Most of the people think that Venus in Lagna, oh, it's very good, very fantastic, but it's totally wrong. It's a wrong message for themselves, because Venus in Lagan, they are most unfortunate people, I can say, because they will face lot of troubles in their life. They need to cry. They cry a lot. You test it. You can. It's not the seen one horoscope. I am telling this. This, after seeing so many horoscopes only, we are coming to one conclusion, that this planet is working like this. Okay, so need to test it in many of the horoscopes. And one more thing is, I'll give one very good remedy for the people who are especially the Pisces ascendant, who is having the 8th Lord, that is Venus sitting in 5th, or anybody who is having the 8th Lord in 5th. You can do this remedy. It will work very good, and you need to share this video also, because this video will help them, because this is not a small problem. It will clear most of the problems which they are facing with the sexual harassments and all. So the remedial measure is, you need to take a lemons of your age count. Say suppose you are having a 30 years of age, so you need to take 30 lemons and make a garland of it, and you need to go to the Mahakali temple or any Durga Devi temple. Especially Mahakali is preferred actually. So you need to go there and tell your gotra, and tell your name, tell your nakshatra, and perform a puja there. That is, just you need to give a garland and tell all your details, and they will do archana. We call it as archana. we need to go there and do a archana on your name. So they will give you 1 or 2 lemons, and you need to use that. You need to put it in water and you need to drink it. So you need to have it, that lemon water. So that is a very good remedy, but you need to do it for minimum 4 times. You need to do it for minimum 4 times. This remedial measure will work very good, and this I have given to people who are in troubles actually, but it works very good actually. It works excellently. So whoever is having this kind of combination and they are facing problems, your problem will be solved if you do this remedy with lot of trust. See, trust is more important for doing any kind of remedy. Okay, kindly share this video, because this video is very important, who is having this kind of problems. And give me your comment, give your opinion, give your comment in the comment section. Kindly share this video. It will be very useful for the people who is having these combinations and suffering a lot. So it will be a great help from your end, and I'll come out with more videos like these videos. Kindly subscribe my channel, share my video, share especially this video. Usually I do not tell people to, in all the videos I will not tell to share, but whenever very important I find, I will tell them to share. So kindly share this video also. Thank you. All the best.